Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on a $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's get started. We got Shinobi. You guys seen that I covered this one a couple of times already. On the second video, I loaded my bag, and it was a how to buy video, really. It wasn't about no technical analysis or going too deep about it. It was at the end of the video that we could do that. But right now, we're going to do some technical analysis right now on DEX tools, and Shinja is the ticker Shinobi, okay? And what I want everybody to see is, even though I loaded my bag, I have not shooken out. Obviously, you guys know, if you guys have been rocking with me on the channel, there's no way that I paper hand out of anything. It's not going to happen. Been in the game a little bit too long to be doing any kind of mistakes like that. That is a huge mistake, okay? Never invest in anything that you guys don't believe in. Like that is very easily not, you won't get shooken out like that, okay? So right now, what we're going to do, we're going to put these horizontal lines, and I want to show you guys something, and then we'll blow the chart up. So just stay tuned. Do not don't get shooken out of this video, actually. How about that? So let's put these supports and resistance. Obviously, we got to respect that one at the top. And while we're at it right now, very quickly, and you guys can learn how to do this, let's make this a little bit more visible, because it's just a little bit too dark blue and all that stuff like that. Right? Okay, we can see that a little bit. We can see the candles a little bit better. All right, we'll rock with that for now. Okay, let's check this out. So we got this support, this resistance. That white color is bothering me, but we're going to deal with it for now. We'll get the charts all done up nice later on. Actually, you know what? I can't even do it. So you guys get to see how I really am. We'll just change that up. Okay, that looks a lot better. Okay, there we go. Okay, now let's get these horizontal lines out. We got this one right here that we're going to identify because it's closer. Right there. We also have this one right here. And the main reason that we're going to identify this main line in the past over here, which is the line, and it's 88.10, right? Let's make this chart big now. Now we got some space, and we'll do some arrows in a second when we start. This is the hourly chart too, by the way, and I want you guys to identify what we got going on and why I think that this is the new zero for Shinja. That's the ticker. We know it's Shinobi, right? So usually, almost all the time, you guys will start to notice, especially if you got that bell notification lit up. If you got that bell notification lit up, you guys been rocking with the channel, okay? So you guys know what's up. Wherever there was a resistance before, that later on becomes a support. So when we broke this resistance, notice that the price got rejected here, right? So when the price got rejected right here, the price got rejected right there. When we broke out, right here, this was the right here was that breakout. Oops, sorry about that. Right there, right? So that the price got rejected right there. Wherever a resistance happens, and then we have that breakout later on, you'll find support there again. You'll see it happen and happen again. Another thing you'll start to notice to be able to trade, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you got the bell notification, because there's a lot going on. This is not just a YouTube channel checking out the tokens. You guys will be learning how to do technical analysis on yourself, or if you guys want, get tapped in on my money bag alerts. You also get my technical analysis course half off if you get tapped in on my money bag alerts. Those money bag alerts will help you. The reason I got it like that is like that. If you get the course and you got the money bag alerts and you get the course half off, like that, you can do it on the plays that I know that are going to be working, and you can apply my course that I'm giving you guys to projects that I know are going to be doing really well, okay? So the minute we break out, we pull back. That's natural, right? This is that next resistance, okay? So we're going to pay attention to this line. That's why we got it marked over here. This is where we're going to battle. Watch how this is going to happen, okay? Watch how this is going to happen. So right now we have the price goes up, comes back down. Even that little red one right there is still higher than this wick right there, even higher than this one. So that's higher. That's a higher low. Higher low. Bears try to sell it down. We found support on this line. Notice that, right? Hold on, let's get this arrow. I accidentally put one right there. Let's get this over. So right there, the first red candle. We pull back. Notice how we find support on this line. So this line we also identified. Notice how we have problem over here as well. We're going to put that right there so we don't forget about that later on. because all these are going to be key areas. They're going to continue to happen, and you're going to get to see how it's going. So like that, when you're new, you don't get shooken out of your spot while we ride to the top and we go to the moon, because there's a lot of new investors every single day. New investors are coming into the crypto space. So we dart up, right? We pull back, we find support on 25.51, right around there, 25.01, right? We start to go back up. We pull back again, that red candle right here. I'm using the icon, these right here. 1 second, so I can pronounce them correctly for you guys. And I actually don't got them on right now, and we're going to see how this, the Heiken Ashi candles. These work a lot better. Notice how that changed. Okay, so now we got the chart exactly how I like. Okay, so there goes that pullback. Notice how it doesn't play with you as much. See that? A lot easier to read. Love that. I really do love that. Okay, so we have these high, we'll put this one down here. We have these higher lows. Boom, we find support right here. We go up. We start making lower lows. So we knew that the trend changed. Don't get shooken out of your spot. This happens all the time because this is identifiable right here. We got the Mktg, right? The pink line crossed the white one. We start to see selling pressure. No big deal. We just made an all-time high. We're going to go see these prices again. What I'm seeing is the opportunity for people to load their bags up right here. Yeah, they're not when the price first started out, but they're relatively close from that. So if you got hurt and you've seen it all up here and you're like, man, I really wish I got in before the breakout. Well, we're right there again. We're right above it. We're above it a little bit. Don't get me wrong. And we know that we're going to tap right here. It's going to be healthy. We're going to see a red candle, but then it's going to go back up. Because if we look at the MACD down here, look how oversold it is. It has yet not recovered this motion on top. And we got it all on the bottom. We have not went up to the top. We start to see this pink line peel apart from the white one. Buying pressure on right here. We need to start to see more volume like this. But if you were complaining that you missed out on that bull run, this is your opportunity to literally load your bags before the next breakout. So if you felt like you missed out and you're like, man, even if I would have got in right here and I would have enjoyed that, this is that opportunity right here while we're riding this. Also, we're on the hourly chart. And what I want to show you guys is on these Bollinger Bands, notice something. While the candles are on the line, when they come off the line, they lose momentum. Things can happen where, you know, FOMO kicks in, the price starts to jump, more people start to know. Look at how the candles got back on the line. The minute it came off the line, we lost buying pressure. People getting, this is a new token, so it starts to go kind of parabolic. But notice how we can never get really back over that line. That's where we start to lose all the buying pressure right there, and we fall off to this side. I want to show you guys where we're at right now again. Candle on the line, candle on the line, candle on the line. That is on the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, I see this already. We're getting our turnaround. I believe that this is the end of this right here. This is this support that we found right here, where before was a resistance. So definitely get tapped in with me. Get tapped in with Shinobi. The ticker is Shinja. So make sure you guys don't mess up. Check out the official links in my description down below. Let the team know that you guys saw the video here with Crypto Rico. Make sure you guys share this video. If you guys are invested in Shinobi, make sure you guys share this video. Shield this video. Shield for your bag. Put this on Twitter. If you got a big Twitter account, retweet this. Get this out there because this is for your bag. So make sure that your bag is loaded right now. This is another opportunity because this happens all the time. Wherever the price got rejected before and we break out, that becomes a resistance. So becomes that support. So we found that support. We have this. This is real deal right now. This is it. So now we got this resistance that we can push past this with volume, which you can tell that we've been very oversold for a while now on the hourly chart, that we're due up to do this. What goes up must come down. What goes down must go up. What is just leaving is now showing up, and what just showed up is now leaving. So I think it's this time where that down is gone, and it's time for that up to come, and that's what we're going to have coming up right now. Get tapped in on those money bag alerts. The technical analysis course is half off when you do that. You'll be able to apply this not only on this one, but on all stocks, all cryptos, and whatnot like that. You guys know what's coming. Continue to come back. Experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time. Later.